YZF-R1S features much of the same technology built into the R1 and R1M, but with minor differences that make it the bike of choice for canyon carvers and commuters. The R1S was designed to compete but built for the street. Cutting-edge MotoGP registered derived cross-plane crankshaft engine. The YZF-R1S registered features a lighter-weight and compact cross-plane crankshaft, inline 4-cylinder, 998cc high-output engine, producing excellent power and a strong pulse of linear torque for stunning performance. Class-leading electronics package. The YZF-R1S features an advanced MotoGP registered inspired electronics package, a suite of interrelated technologies, powered by Yamaha's 6-axis inertial measurement unit, IMU, that enable the rider to enjoy the fullest range of performance with great comfort, control, and ease of operation. Informed systems. The IMU consists of a gyro sensor that measures pitch, roll, and yaw, as well as an accelerometer, or G sensor, that measures acceleration in the fore-aft, up-down, and right-left directions. All at a rate of 125 calculations per second. By calculating each signal, the IMU finds the precise vehicle position and movement, and communicates it to the ECU, enabling it to control the bike's systems. Digital rider aids. The YZF-R1S is equipped with banking-sensitive traction control, as well as slide control, wheel lift control, launch control, ABS, a unified braking system, and more. This gives R1S riders an amazing level of rider adaptive performance. Delta Box registered frame. The advanced aluminum Delta Box registered frame uses the engine as a stressed member of the chassis and is designed to provide optimum longitudinal, lateral and torsional rigidity. Compact exhaust system. A midship exhaust system features a titanium muffler and is positioned low, in the middle of the chassis, for improved mass centralization. MotoGP registered styling. The styling on the R1S is shared with the YZF-R1M registered and YZF-R1 registered and inspired by the YZR-M1 registered, purposely sculpted for maximum aerodynamic efficiency. Engine. Cutting-edge cross-plane crankshaft engine. The R1S 998cc inline 4-cylinder, cross-plane crankshaft engine features steel fracture split connecting rods and lighter-weight forged pistons. This race-derived engine delivers high horsepower and a strong pulse of linear torque. Compact stack transmission. A 6-speed transmission is built to match the engine's delivery and character for excellent response. The transmission stacks the input-output shafts to centralize mass and to keep the overall engine size shorter front to back, which optimizes engine placement in the frame for outstanding weight balance. Rocker arm valve train. Advanced rocker arm valve actuation uses the arm's lever ratio to allow for larger valve lift while using lower cam lobes and reduced spring pressure, further boosting power. Compact exhaust system. The R1S is equipped with an advanced exhaust system crafted from titanium and stainless steel. Plus, the compact midship muffler contributes to mass centralization. Advanced clutch. Yamaha's assist and slipper clutch is used to give the rider more confident downshifts when entering corners aggressively, while still smoothly handling the torque of the high-output inline-4 motor. Electronics. MotoGP registered level controllability. Inertial measurement unit, IMU, uses 6 axes of measurement. It consists of a gyro sensor that measures pitch, roll, and yaw, as well as an accelerometer, or G sensor, that measures acceleration in the fore-aft, up-down, and right-left directions. All at a rate of 125 calculations per second. The IMU communicates with the ECU, which activates the technologies in Yamaha Ride Control, YRC. YRC includes power mode, traction control system, slide control system, lift control system, and launch control system. All these systems are adjustable and can be saved within 4 presets in the YRC system. PWR mode. Power delivery mode, PWR, similar to the earlier D-mode system, lets the rider choose from 4 settings of throttle valve opening rate in relation to the degree of throttle grip opening to best match their riding conditions. Lean angle sensitive TCS. Variable traction control system, TCS, reduces rear wheel spin when exiting corners, calculating differences in wheel speeds and in relation to lean angle. As lean angle increases, so does the amount of intervention. With 10 separate settings, off and 1-9, enabling the rider to dial in the exact level of control needed. MotoGP registered developed SCS. Slide Control System, SCS, the first of its kind on a production motorcycle, comes directly from the YZF-R1S. It works in tandem with the EMU, where, if a slide is detected while accelerating during hard leaning conditions, the ECU will step in and control engine power to reduce the slide. This too can be adjusted by the rider. 4 settings, 1, 3 and off. Lift Control System. Lift Control System, LIF, EMU detects the front to rear pitch rate and the ECU controls engine power to reduce the front wheel lift during acceleration. 4 settings, 1, 3 and off. Race Start Control. Launch Control System, LCS, limits engine RPMs to 10,000 wide open throttle. It maintains optimum engine output in conjunction with input from the TCS and lift systems to maximize acceleration from a standing start. 3 setting levels regulate the effect, 1, 2 and off. Ride-by-wire throttle. The R1S uses YCCT-registered, Yamaha chip-controlled throttle, fly-by-wire technology providing optimum power delivery, as well as YCCI-registered, Yamaha chip-controlled intake, which is a variable intake system that broadens the spread of power in both low and high RPM. Chassis/suspension. Full-color instruments. The R1S features a brilliant full-color, thin-film transistor LCD meter, including front brake pressure and fore, aft G-force readouts, giving the rider even more feedback from the machine. It features both street mode and a track mode that focuses on performance information, such as YRC settings, a zoomed-in view of the tachometer in the upper RPM range, a lap timer with best lap and last lap feature, gear position indicator and speed. Delta Box registered frame. The aluminum Delta Box registered frame and magnesium subframe contribute to a lightweight and compact chassis design. The aluminum frame is both strong and flexible, and uses the engine as a stressed member of the frame for optimal rigidity balance and fantastic cornering performance. Fully adjustable kib-registered fork. The R1S features an advanced inverted kib-registered front fork with 43mm inner tubes and a 4.7-inch stroke with full adjustability, for an exceptional balance of feedback and traction. Linkage-type kib-registered shock. The fully adjustable kib-registered shock has a rear bottom link pivot position that is optimally placed to provide exceptional handling, and excellent transmission of engine torque to the road. Compact chassis dimensions. The YZF-R1S wheelbase is 10mm shorter than the 2014 YZF-R1, adding to cornering performance. However, the R1S retains a 40.5% ratio of swing arm length to wheelbase for superb handling. Aluminum fuel tank. An aluminum 4.5-gallon fuel tank, weighing in at a full 3.5 pounds less than a comparable steel tank, further reduces overall weight. Powerful, controllable brakes. The track-developed and tested racing ABS and unified braking system provide maximum braking performance. UBS inhibits unwanted rear-end motion during braking by activating the rear brake when the front brake is applied, with force distribution based on the bike's attitude and lean angle. Advix 4-piston radial-mounted front calipers ride on big 320mm rotors for excellent stopping power. Additional features. MotoGP registered styling. Dynamic M1-inspired styling that creates a more compact profile with improved aerodynamics. Compact LED headlights. LED headlights are both lightweight and compact, allowing for a more streamlined design and layout of the front face. LED lighting. LED front turn signals are integrated into the mirrors for improved aerodynamics, while an LED tail light is stylish and highly visible. Factory-level telemetry. Available as an option is the Yamaha exclusive communication control unit. The CCU allows riders to communicate with the vehicle via Wi-Fi through Yamaha's exclusive Y-Track smartphone and tablet app. The system is comprised of the CCU and GPS antenna. Running data can be recorded via a data logger, with course mapping and automatic lap timing managed by GPS. This data can then be wirelessly downloaded to the Android-registered or Apple-registered iOS-registered app, where it can be analyzed. Changes to settings can be made via the Yamaha Ride Control (YRC) setting app and then uploaded back to the R1S.